Hello guys, I want to tell about this SS7 traders, right? Binary traders. I am also using binary traders, and then I using that following that SS traders signal because 90% ITMs. Actually, I want to tell about that. That indicator is also very powerful, and if I get one loss from SS7 traders, then that time they giving we another chance to trade to, then loss recover too, because their service is very clear, because and I following daily that there are signals, and I really love to use that indicator because I love it, because I know I see that daily videos I seeing that ITMs more than 5 minutes expire. Don't lost in yourself. Go and hurry up and relax. Get the buy and indicator and relax and go get your good profit. Thank you.